According to Epictetus, the Stoic philosopher, the key to a calm mind is knowing what you can control and what you can't. Your thoughts, your actions, your choices, these belong to you. Everything else, out of your hands. Why this matters. Most people suffer not because life is cruel, but because they try to control what they cannot. Weather, other people's opinions, success, failure, all of it beyond you. But your reaction, your mindset, that's yours. Always. And here's the truth no one tells you. If you focus on shit, shit grows. But if you focus on you, you grow. What you feed, feeds you back. Most people suffer not because life is cruel, but because they try to control what they cannot. But your reaction, your mindset, that's yours. Always. When you stop fighting what you can't change, you gain strength over what you can. That's how the Stoics found peace, even in exile, poverty, or facing death. The Stoics didn't search for comfort, they searched for clarity. Control your mind, forget the rest. But if you are not the master of your own thoughts, then who is?